back to my channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So in today's video we'll be making egusi soup, and these are some of the ingredients I will be using to make this egusi soup. So let me introduce the ingredients to you guys. Here is my stock fish. This is the fish I will be using to make the egusi soup. Here is spinach. Here is a beef. This is the egusi I will be using. In here I have Maggi, salt, onion, fresh pepper, which is habanero pepper. In Nigeria we call it fresh pepper. So here is 3 tablespoons of crayfish, and this is the oil I will be using to make the soup. So let's go into the video. If you are wondering what you are seeing here, I just finished making stew. Now.